In many modern societies, the consumption of alcohol has become normalized and glamorized to the point where many people drink it to excess, which causes many health problems. If you've recently stopped drinking or you're in the process of recovery, your body is going through major changes. Alcohol impacts nearly every system: your brain, your liver, your gut, and your nervous system, for example. And even after you quit, your body doesn't instantly reset. Healing takes time. But there are ways you can support that recovery, and that's where targeted nutritional supplements can come in. Let's look at some things you can do to help in the process of recovery from alcohol. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. I'm Gary Carlson, a health researcher with a full-time practice in musculoskeletal medicine. I make videos on all aspects of health to help you live your best life. Now, just to be clear, alcohol recovery can be a long and complex process, often requiring medical and therapeutic intervention, and supplements are not cures or quick fixes. Think of them as tools, extra support your body can use while it repairs itself. When you drink alcohol, your body has to process it and break it down. This produces toxic byproducts, and your body uses up a lot of vitamins and nutrients to deal with them. So instead of using those nutrients for normal functions, your body is kind of stuck in metabolic emergency. Supplements can help restore what alcohol has drained and give your body more resources to heal. So let's start with B complex vitamins. These include B1, B6, B12, and folate. They're crucial for energy, brain health, and your nervous system. Alcohol depletes B vitamins, especially thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Low thiamine can cause serious issues like confusion, memory loss, and in extreme cases, a condition called Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Taking a B complex can help your brain and body function a little more normally again. Next is magnesium. Alcohol causes your body to lose magnesium through urine. Low magnesium can leave you anxious, irritable, tense, and struggling with sleep, as well as having many effects on the central nervous, cardiovascular system, and so forth. Many people are already low in magnesium, even without alcohol. It's involved in over 350 processes in the body, so alcohol places a heavy strain on your magnesium stores and your metabolism. A supplement like magnesium glycinate can calm your nervous system, improve sleep, and support your heart and blood pressure. And then there's L-glutamine. This is an amino acid your body uses for gut health and brain fuel. Alcohol damages the lining of your gut, and L-glutamine helps repair that barrier. It may also reduce cravings for alcohol and sugar, because it supports your brain's energy needs when you're not relying on quick sugar hits. The next two supplements on the list are used in clinical settings to support liver function, so you know these are very effective. The first is N-acetylcysteine, or NAC. Your body uses NAC to make glutathione, which is one of your body's strongest antioxidants. Alcohol depletes glutathione, especially in your liver. NAC helps restore it, supporting detox and reducing oxidative stress. It's also been studied for improving mental clarity and reducing cravings. I have a video on NAC which I will link. The second one is milk thistle, another supportive liver supplement. Its active ingredient, silymarin, helps lower inflammation and may support liver cell repair. It's not a cure for liver disease, but it's a gentle, natural way to give your liver extra support during recovery. And next up are omega-3 fatty acids. You'll find them in fish oil or algae oil if you eat a plant-based diet. They reduce inflammation and protect brain health. See my recent video on their benefits. Alcohol disrupts brain cell membranes and mood-regulating chemicals. Omega-3s help repair that damage and may ease anxiety and depression. And alcohol also disrupts your gut microbiome, the community of bacteria living in your digestive system. And that's why probiotics can be helpful. They restore balance in your gut, and that impacts digestion, immunity, and even mood. When your gut is healthier, your brain usually functions better too, thanks to the gut-brain connection. And then there's vitamin D. Many people are deficient in vitamin D, and alcohol makes that worse. Low vitamin D is linked to fatigue, mood swings, and weaker immunity. Replacing vitamin D can help restore energy and emotional balance. 15 to 20 minutes of exposure to sunlight is the best way, but there's also many supplement options. And while we're talking about vitamin D, zinc is a trace mineral that works in tandem with vitamin D, and alcohol also reduces zinc levels. It's crucial for healing, immune function, and brain signaling, and can act as an electrolyte in the body, meaning it can work to transmit electrical signals. Low zinc can leave you foggy, slow to recover from illness, and just feeling off. Adding zinc back into your system helps fill those gaps. And finally, there are amino acids like 5-HTP or L-tryptophan. Your body uses these to make serotonin, the neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep, and alcohol disrupts serotonin production. So these supplements can help restore it. But be careful, if you're on antidepressants or other medications, check with your doctor first. Supplements are not magic, but they can help to support recovery. And just to mention that if you are in a severe alcohol withdrawal state, this is a medical emergency and needs medical attention, as seizures and other serious problems can be present. These supplements can help, but they work best alongside a strong foundation: good food, hydration, sleep, exercise, therapy, and a solid recovery plan. They're not for everyone, and some supplements can interact with medication, so please talk to your doctor before starting anything new. Healing from alcohol takes time, but giving your body the nutrients it needs can make the process easier and help you keep moving forward. Be well, and see you next time.